Hi students, good morning students. How are you all? Okay, fine. Me myself, I am also fine. Okay, yesterday and day before yesterday, we discussed so many points from the lesson. That is first lesson, the food we need. So our topic is the food we need. Today, we will learn that we are explaining that ingredients. Ingredients. Already we discussed ingredients. What is ingredients? What is ingredients? The sources or the substances of the to make the food material. The requirements of the substance of the to make the food material. Then sources are said to be a ingredients or substances are said to be a ingredients of the food material. So today itself different types of ingredients we are obtaining from the plants and some of ingredients obtaining from the animals and some of ingredients obtaining from the other sources. So three models are there. One is from plants, one is from animals and one is from other sources. So here example from the plants. From the plants, yes, different plants are there. We are using leaves, roots of the plants, stem of the plants and roots of the plants, and those are the different parts which are taken from the plants. Yes or no? Say for example, there is one plant. These are the leaves. These are the leaves. Coriander leaves and curry leaves we are using from the plants. Yes or no? So for example, coriander leaves are there. We are using to make the food material. So one part is leaves. Next, second part is stem. Stem. So some parts of the stems we are using to make the food material. Yes or no? For example, sugar cane. That is one type of stem. Next. See here, and some seeds are there. Some seeds are there. Some fruits are there. Some seeds are there. Some fruits are there. So some fruits, for example, cabbage, cauliflower, those are the like flowers. That also we are using that. And some fruits, apples, grapes, something. So some types of fruits are there. That is one part of the plant. And flowers are there. That is the one part of the plant. And leaves are there. That is the one part of the plant. And stem, that is the one part of the plant. And roots. So onions, like that, onions and potato modified stem, and those are the groundnuts. So those are the parts which are using to eat. Next, so mainly the parts of the plants we are using to make the food material. That is the ingredients of the plants, like leaves, stem and modified stem and flowers and fruits and roots. So those are the parts of the plants which are taking as a ingredients. Yes or no? Next, from the animals. From the animals, eggs we are taking from the hens, and meat we are taking from goat, sheep, chicken, those are, and fish and eggs, and from the cow we are taking milk. By using of milk we can prepare curd, cheese, ghee. Those are the products of the milk. So indirectly what we know that So some ingredients we are taking from the animals and we are taking from the plants. Next, third one, from other sources. From other sources. For example, boiling the rice or boiled rice. What is the ingredients? Water. That is different source. So that is other source. Water. Yes or no? And salt. That is also other sources. So water, salt. So like that. So different sources are there. So one is plants, another sources is animals and other sources. So these are the sources. From these sources we are taking as a ingredients, different parts of these sources. Yes or no? So in the same manner in the textbook given here, 5th page. See, first, ingredients from the plants, vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses. So these are the ingredients from the plants. Again, ingredients from the animals, eggs, milk, meat, etc. So already we discussed that all. Next, ingredients from the other source, salt and water. So here there is a given tables are there. What sources are given? See, first one, cooked rice. What we needed? Raw rice and water we needed to make the food material of cooked rice. Yes or no? What is the sources? Raw rice and water. So raw rice is the sources from the plants. Raw rice, it is the sources from the plant. Yes, we know that. So plant is given. Next, water. Water is the sources from the other sources. So other sources you have to write the table. Next, payasam. So semial we needed and sugar we needed and milk we needed. So semial, nothing but it's a other sources, nothing but from the plants only we are making the semial also. And dry fruits, it is from plants, P. Sugar also, this is the stem, nothing but, yes or no, sugar cane, it is from stem of the plant, nothing but plant. Next, milk, nothing but animals. So we have to write animals for milk. For sugar we have to write plant. Dry fruits, plant. And semial, indirectly others. Yes or no? Next, chutney. There is a fourth table, fourth Roman. Chutney is there. Groundnuts we are needed, and oil we needed, and chilies we needed, and salt we needed. For salt is a other sources. O. Next, chilies from we are taking from the plants. P. Next, oil. Yes, some of oils we are taking from the plants and some of oils we are making from the animals. So P and A. Next, groundnuts or coconuts, it is from the plant sources. Yes or no? You have to fill this table and you have to fill the remaining two options also as your wish. Next, already we discussed what we that try to increase this list by adding more food items as much as you can in the above table. You know that we get milk from the cow and buffalo. Already we discussed from the cow and buffalo. We are taking from the cow and buffalo milk. Next, mutton from the goat and the sheep. Yes, we already discussed mutton from the goat and sheep. Chicken from hens. Yes, already we discussed chicken from the hens. Pork from the pig and eggs from the birds. Yes. We get butter, cheese, ghee and curd from the milk. Honey is also a good ingredient obtained from honeycomb. It is clear that we get a variety of food ingredients from the animal sources. Can we elaborate this list? Similarly, different parts of the plants like leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Serve as a very useful ingredients to make our food. Stem like sugarcane, onion, garlic, turmeric, ginger, etc. are also used in the preparation of food. Although leaves, roots, seeds and fruits and plants are widely used in the preparation of food, stems and flowers are also used. Thus we use various parts of the plants as our food. Salt is an important ingredient that we get from the sea. Yes, already we discussed this one. Yes, we are taking sources from the plants and from the animals and from other sources. So plants, we are different parts of, we are eating that, that is roots, stem and flowers, fruits and leaves. Those are the parts which are taken from the plants. In the same manner, meat, and we are taking from the sheep and goat, and from milk we are making the food material of curd and cheese and ghee. Those are the from the milk we are taking from the animals. So eggs from the ants and birds. So salt is, finally salt is the different ingredients, that is sea water. Yes or no? Next, 6th page number. There is a one table, name of the plant and part, which are that. See, you have to fill that. Mango, it is one type of fruit. What is the part of the plant we are taking? Yes or no? Yes, mango, it is the one fruit. You have to write, already written there, fruit. And mint, nothing but pudina nothing but leaves of the pudina plant. Yes or no? So leaves. Sugarcane, so this is one type of stem. You have to write stem. Potato is modified stem. And onions is also one stem. Next, cauliflower, it is one type of flower from the plant. And groundnuts, yes or no, it is one type of roots. Next, tomato, it is one type of fruit. Rice, it is one type of craft, nothing but seeds. Next, green gram, this is also one type of craft, like seeds. Next, cabbage, this is also one type of flower. And apple is a one type of fruit from the plants. So you have to fill this table. And generally our mother at home preparing, for example, she used to preparing biryani. After conclusion of biryani, before 10 minutes of conclusion biryani, what they will mixing that in that biryani? Spices, nothing but in Telugu, masala dinusulu, nothing but. Yes or no? It gives, spices gives very tastily, and it will be seem like good color. It gives good taste and good smell and good color. So here there is a Indian spices are there. Yes or no? See, spices are aromatic parts of the tropical plants traditionally used to add flavor to the food. Spices come from the bark or roots of the certain plants, leaves, flowers, stem, plants, primarily used for flowering and coloring and preserving food. Spices are included in a variety of the Indian dishes: cardamom, black pepper, curry leaves, cumin and coriander seeds, and turmeric, cloves, ginger and nutmeg and cinnamon. So these are the different Indian spices. What is the use of these spices? To give good taste to the food and good color and good flavor, and those are the benefits of the Indian spices. Nothing but spices. Yes, sir. Very tasty. When we added spices in the food, it will be a like very good taste and good color, good flavor, good smell. For that we are adding the spices in the foods. Next, so these spices also we are taking different plants, that is like barks and stems and leaves and roots and flowers and fruits. So different parts we are taking as a spices from the plants. Next, second one is different methods of the preparing food. Different methods are there. So today we are making the food material. Different types of methods are there. For example, idli. By what process we are doing? By steaming. By steaming. So steaming is a one process to make the food material. Yes or no? Cooked rice. By what process we are making that food material? By boiling. So boiling is a one process to make the food material. So steaming and boiling. Yes or no? And frying. So some meats like chicken we are doing frying. Yes or no? Next, so different methods to prepare the food materials. Boiling dal and rice, steaming idli, fry chicken fry and fish fry we are doing as fry. Yes or no? So different methods are there to make the food material. So one by one we are discussing. Here in the page, different food is very useful for the growth of the survival of the life. Preparation of the food is an art. It is prepared in a different ways. Some of the process in the preparing of the different food items have been given in the table. Written the food items opposite to each of the process in the table. Okay. Here page number 7 from the 6th class first lesson. So here there is a one table is there. So already we discussed boiling. What is boiling? Dal, boiling. And rice, cooked rice also boiling. Yes or no? Some curries, some vegetables we are boiling. Potatoes we are boiling. So by the process of the boiling we are making the food material. We are preparing the food material. So example, rice, dal, some vegetables and potato, like sweet potato, like that you have to write. Next, second one, steaming. Best example, idli. Okay na, ఆవిరి ద్వారా ఉడుకుతది. Yes or no? Idli. Next, fermentation. So this is a process bread. Bakeries are there. Bread, making the breads. So this is a one process, fermentation. This is a one process, fermentation. In that breads, wine and beer, those are the bread, wine and some etc. there. And roasting, roasting chicken we are roasting that by using the method of the roasting chicken and fish and pork, those are the food material by using the preparation of the roasting. Yes or no? Next, cutting and mixing. Cutting and mixing. So vegetable cutting and mixing the water, and we have to cutting and mixing. Curry, like example, vegetable curry, cutting and mixing. And salad, fruit salad. Do you know fruit salad? Pieces of the different pieces of the different fruits are there, and mixing the one ice cream, very famous. Yes or no? Salad, fruit salad. So that is a one best example, fruit salad. So cutting the all pieces of the fruits and mixing in the ice cream, and they are eating the in that. So that is a one best example, fruit salad, for the mixing and cutting, mixing and cutting. So fruit salad, you have to fill this table And tomorrow we have to know that taste of food, one preparation, upma preparation. By tomorrow we will learn that preparation of the upma. Okay na? Thank you.